Hey friends, when we need to create a perfect website for our business and services, WordPress gives us the best solution. And this month we are creating some great website using FSE full site edit WordPress theme. And we have seen hundreds of themes and other resources on this channel. FSE WordPress themes are going to be more easy and convenient way to create websites using WordPress CMS. So I have already shown you some good FSE WordPress themes. Now in this video, we are going to create a website for productivity coach or mentor using a FSE WordPress theme, and its name is Effective. The Effective is a FSE WordPress theme for productivity coach and mentor services. You can say the learners and the coaches, guides can use this theme for their website. This theme has been developed by Zag Theme and they are Power Elite author at Invato Market, that is on themeforest.net. So you can buy the theme through the video description link just for $69, and the $69 will give you the quality checked by the Invato, I mean the theme quality, and the future updates for this theme and 6 month support from the theme developer itself. In addition to this, you are going to get a free pass to join the iCreate program. But thing is that how effective is Effective WordPress theme for our website project? This is the main objective that I wish to cover in this video, and we are going to create a demo website using this theme so that you may understand the insights of this theme and choose this theme for your website project. And of course, you have other choices as well. So explore other themes as well on this channel. There are hundreds for you, and let us begin creating a website using this Effective WordPress theme. Okay, you can check all the details through the video description link. All the details have been given, and you are going to get all the stuffs, all the features that you may need for your target website with this theme. But yes, we are going to check all this in this video. So I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and it is using 2025 default WordPress theme. Once we install the core WordPress, we used to get default WordPress theme. This is the theme where I am going to add the Effective WordPress theme, and in the theme pack I have received this installable theme file, the child theme, the readme guide, and the licensing part. So we are going to use this effective.zip file for our installation purpose. The theme installation is always simple in WordPress and you don't need any technical skill. You just need to follow the exact steps as I am going to show you. So you can create at your own. You don't need any developer assistance for doing all these things. So without any technical knowledge, you can create your own website. And in addition to this, we are moreover here for helping you. We are just a click away. You can start a direct chat with a mentor. Right. So let us add theme first of all. In the appearance section, we can add new theme, and we have to add theme, upload theme, choose the installable theme file, that is effective.zip. Select, click on install now. Very simple and easy steps. It will hardly take few seconds since the theme file size is really very optimized. Theme got installed successfully. We can go to the theme page. This is being the very first version, new version of theme. I mean, this theme is really very new. So I can check the dates for you. On 5th March. So I am recording this on 22nd March. And this is a new theme, very first release I'm using. There is only one release as of now for this theme. And we are using the very first version. We can expect the updates in recent future. But yes, this is going to be a perfect choice if it is working fine. So let us check this. Okay, coming back, and now I'm activating the installed theme. And upon activation, we have this screen, plugin requirements. Next step is import demo, upgrade your site, or finalizing. So first thing we need to do is to install the plugins, that is Gutenverse Companion, and the Gutenverse Home. This is the required plugin. So we can simply click on the install required plugin link on the button, and you can see the progress bar reach to 50% in just second. And we need to wait further until this progress bar shows 100% and it installs all the plugins that is listed here. I mean 3 plugins that you can see on the screen. And here we completed the installation of 3 plugins. It hardly took 1 minute for me. And now the next step is going to give us the option what we want to import as demo site. So we can choose only pages that we may need at our website, or if it is a fresh installation, like this is a fresh installation, we can go for import all pages. So good idea to import all pages, and full import option is here, start import. And now the screen is showing the import of pages, like home page is being imported. Similarly, we are going to get the about, program page, program detail, FAQ, blog, contact, and even the media files will be imported. So 8 steps are here, and it may take a while again, since it is connected to developer server and it is downloading the elements and the things that creates the complete web page. So we don't need to do anything, we just need to wait and watch, and we will get all the stuffs, all the required things for our website after this step. So it is going on. I wish to show you the exact time it is taking, but yes, it is taking a while, and it all depends on your server capacity and the internet speed and all such dependent factors that may impact the importing process. Okay, so while this process is going on, I must tell you, it is always recommended to use WordPress optimized hosting plan for your website project. You can opt to have the cPanel based hosting plan or Edge panel based hosting plan. Both are available at WP Themes website. Through the video description link, go to the Themes website, WP Themes website, and choose the hosting tab and choose your desired hosting that is going to be suitable for your website project. Further, if you need any assistance, you can chat with a mentor who is going to help you in every manner, what is good for you, what you can choose, and how reasonable you can get in all these things through the WP Themes website. And as I said, once you decide to buy the theme, you need to buy the theme at Invite Market, that is on themeforest.net, through the video description link. In the video description link, the affiliate link is there. When you are buying the theme through the affiliate link at themeforest.net for $69, we are also going to get some bucks, and of course we are going to help you in exchange, and you are going to get the free entry, free onboarding connect option here without any payment, and you will get all the supports for your website. Okay, now I'm coming back, and yes, demo is imported completely. So while we discussed, it got complete, and now I can close this. And at the next step, we can opt to have the limitless possibilities. However, we it is totally your choice if you want to upgrade to Pro, or if not, you can simply proceed for next. And now this screen is congratulating us for all set. View the dashboard, and next, of course, we are going to refresh this page to see our new website. Yes, it is here, and it is very simple, and it got installed with every element. All the content is here at my installation, as you seen on this original demo. This is the original demo, you can see, and the exactly what we have received, same as our installation. Simple, effective, and easy. Everything is fine, and I can check the inner pages and its speed. Okay, so FSE sites are really very smart, and the loading time is really very fast. So this is the advantage of using FSE theme. You are not using any page builder, you are just using the Gutenberg. Now I'm taking you to the backend, and just to complete the setup and updating. Thank you for upgrading Gutenberg's font awesome, or you can have the font awesome. It's just a optional thing if you are choosing. Okay, great. All good, and I'm back here at dashboard. So I was saying, you are not using any page builder, any additional set of plugins. Only the Gutenberg is being used on this website, and it means you are having less dependency on external plugins, and you are going to get a stable website. This is a very important thing which is generally ignored when creating WordPress website. So I only recommend those themes or those resources that has limited or almost no dependency on external factors. So in this website, like if you are using this theme Effective, you are going to use a FSE theme, and you just need to use these three plugins: Gutenberg's Companion, and the Gutenberg's Form. This is not for you, this is for me only. So three plugins are enough for making this site, and the handling of this site is really very easy. Like if you are using forms at your website, you can check the form action and entries here. Further, Gutenberg's dashboard is going to give us some more activity, like we can check all the dashboard ecosystem, and the we can even add new plugins like Gutenberg's new, just in case if it is required. The blocks we can enable or disable in a toggle mode, what we want to use at our website. By default, everything or free things are enabled, and for the settings are here. We can use the custom font, the template, and the front end, the editor, and all such things are here. System status can be checked and all. And there is nothing like theme panel and additional things that you may need to handle. And just you can use the Effective dashboard for basic things. This is the Effective dashboard. We can use the install demo. We have already did all these things. So now, if we are talking about the customization of website, I mean the basic settings. Under Customize tab, you can use the site editor, or you can use the basic things like homepage settings and all. So it is more than easy to handle the website with the Gutenberg, and you can use the site editors, templates, patterns, pages, and all. So it is very simple, very easy, and I don't think I need to elaborate much about these things. So the site identity, you can check here, the menus, the homepage settings, all simple. Further, we have the template editor, just in case if you want to edit with this over option. Edit template, blank canvas is here, and all these things can be edited easily. Like when you are editing the content, you can simply use the edit site or edit page option, and you'll be able to edit all the content. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text content, so that you may maintain the design integrity. And the edit site option is also here. It is this is the uh, site editor that you can use directly. Styles are here, in case if you want to change the colors, background, the pages you want to edit, and the pending part can be seen here, drafts and all. Okay, great. In case you want to add additional elements on your page, you can use even Gutenberg library, which is available with the page edit option. So this is Gutenberg library. Simply use these things at your page in case it is required. So the pre things are available here. So I think you'll be able to control all these things, and you can launch your website very easily using this theme and the Effective, and it is going to work perfectly for your website project. So explore all these things. Just in case if you have any question, don't hesitate in writing in the comment section of this video, or you can start a direct chat at our iCreate program simply with the follow the video description links. And in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions, more options for your WordPress websites. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, and we created this amazing website using the Effective FSE WordPress theme for coaches and mentors. Thanks for visiting, and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thank you.